headed to the Pixar Place Hotel. Took just a few minutes. Here it is right here. Took just a few minutes from the Grand, which is right over there. This is where we have another room over here that my brother is staying in. We can't wait to show you guys everything about it. The entire hotel is completely renovated from top to bottom, and it's extra special. And it's very beautiful. So come along with us. We're super excited to show you. There's one of the new restaurants called the Great Maple. Absolutely delicious. I love all the colors. So cute. Yeah. Right across the street here is California Adventure. And here is their entrance. Their room is all ready, so we're gonna go take a look. Let's go take a look. My Luxo ball. How adorable. Here we are in the beautiful new lobby. It's a little busy in here. It's about check-in time. That's super cute. Oh yeah.
Pixar Fest bottle.
Pixar Fest bottle that Disney gifted us last time.
Yeah, we love this bottle.
Over here. It's so cute. Here we are at the Pixar Hotel. What a beautiful view out here. Let me show you. See the parks. Let's go find the room. Oh, look over here. Here's the pool area. We officially made it into the room at the Pixar Hotel, brand new, renovated, and I'm gonna show you a complete tour. Absolutely beautiful, and you're gonna wanna stay until the very end of this video because the view of this room is incredible. So here we are when you first walk in. There's a whole little section right here with a Keurig, which is absolutely great. And here is the beautiful room. I cannot believe the renovation. The nice wood floors, the super cute rug. My absolute favorite is Luxo balls, and if you can see it, it's even on the bedding. Here it is. It's so nice. It smells so good in here. Look at all the decor. Again, here's the little lamp, the Toy Story, the little Luxo balls. This is 2 queen beds in here, and then this couch does pull out as the 5th sleeper. Are you guys ready for the most incredible view? This is a theme park room view. It's absolutely incredible. Here's the Grand over here, and here is all of California Adventure. It's so fun and exciting. I mean, you can honestly see all the hustle and bustle happening over there. The ride's going at night. It's gonna be incredible. You'll be able to see World of Color because it happens right there on the water. It's literally so magical. So now let's go take you into the bathroom. The bathroom is also very nicely renovated. Beautiful shower, nice floors, and a really nice, and spacious sink. I love that you can put makeup and your hair things, and then also down below, there's lots of room to put things. Pixar Place Hotel, your renovation, everything that you've done to the place, you've completely outdone yourself. It's fantastic and it's beautiful. So anyways, everybody, this view, there's absolutely nothing like it. So because of this location of the Pixar Place Hotel, it's a perfect spot to overlook California Adventure and see all of the fun things. Here we are on the 3rd floor, which is where the pool and activity area is. Say hi, Avery! Here they have small bites, lots of activity little area, and then the pool is going to be up here. Super cute. It's definitely a nice warm day, that's for sure. All right, here's the outdoor area. This section is so cute. Here they have the little fireplaces. Just a nice little chill area. Oh my goodness, how adorable. All these little characters. It's absolutely fabulous at night. Here's Jack Jack. I think he's my favorite. It's so cute. So now we are going to rewind just a bit and go back to our June trip when we were here with a couple of our agents. We did go to Lamplight Lounge, and it was extra special. Disney related Pixie dissed us. So that's what you're gonna see next. We're finally here at Lamplight Lounge. What do they call accommodations? Let's eat some good food.
There's seating outside of the patio. There's patio seating over there. There's all kinds of different like Pixar quotes all over the walls here. This is kind of like right next to the restroom. It's pretty cool. It looks like someone drew it with chalk, huh?
Yeah.
We got the secret room and Lamplight Lounge. Hi. It's so nice. We have a porch over here. Brian and I got to experience this one time before. Oh, the view.
Private balcony for lunch at Lamplight Lounge.
All right, here's our very own private balcony. So this room is not guaranteed. Sometimes you can request it. It's kind of definitely a surprise. We're super excited.
I have not been here before. All I've heard about is the nachos.
Alright, we got our Caesar Brussels sprouts, like a little Caesar salad with Brussels sprouts. Comes with a little side of Chipotle aioli. It is phenomenal. It's definitely a 10 out of 10. It's super good appetizer. It's definitely shareable. It is really good. It's definitely better than just plain Brussels sprouts.
Thanks for sharing your bed.
Cheers.
1, 2, 3.
Woo!
And then look.
So cute.
I got the stream canister. It's so good. This is like right up my alley.
Super
Tropical,
good.
like coconut, pineapple.
Okay, so we stepped outside for just a moment. We got some
potato skins.
These
We've
look
already been
delicious
eating
with a bunch of
our
different
Brussels sprout Caesar salad that we have inside. We're actually on the
Best
balcony right now of our
Brussels
private
sprouts.
room in Lamplight Lounge.
You guys look up there. That's actually like where the bar area is.
Yep.
Of Lamplight.
And Incredicoaster is really right here. Don't take off.
There it goes. I love it.
How cool is that? We're here with our team. This is making it such like a magical day for us. We're getting ready to eat some lunch. The food is fantastic. We just got some potato skins. We're gonna try these out. And then we have our lunch coming as well. So
we do.
Yeah, we're gonna be hanging out inside the room. We're gonna be coming back out of here. We have free range, just kind of hang out where we want in here.
We're able to stay here for a couple hours. It's so extra special. We can hang out. We can all chat with each other. We all got drinks, all got appetizers. Excited to see the meal. We're absolutely starving. We didn't eat a ton for breakfast this morning. We've been go, busy all day. There's the sound again. So let's try these out. All right, Brian's gonna try them out here.
Try it without the sauce first.
Okay, without the sauce.
Just like a soft hash brown.
Does it? Okay, so that one's like garlic and then this one's something else. And the other one.
Losing it.
Ooh, those
Wow.
are good. Yummy.
You try it. There's like capers and kind of chili sauce.
I love it. Ooh,
These are really good.
so
There's like
delicious.
super buttery. Sorry, I can't even talk. I got a mouthful. Really
Can't even
buttery.
wait to try.
Potatoes are really tender. I mean, this has such good flavor. And this is a huge helping of nachos. This is actually more like an appetizer on the menu, but I ordered it as a meal because I absolutely love nachos, and this is a lot of food. The steak looks super good. It came with fresh jalapenos, cheese, like a chipotle crema. Wow. And Incredicoaster. We also got the salmon burger. This is what Megan's gonna be eating. It's called the PLT. Came with some French fries. And it also has some kind of aioli on it. The salmon looks so good. Megan's had this a few times in this restaurant. That's why she keeps ordering it, because it is so good. So we got nachos, we got a salmon burger, and we got this view right here.
All right, well that's a wrap. Oh, it's so loud. That's a wrap for the Lamplight Lounge, being in this super special room. We were so excited. We definitely got pixie dusted for this. The food was absolutely incredible. All the drinks were super good. All the girls had something different.
Every other menu is so good. The appetizers, I think, are actually better than the main course. The Brussels sprout, Caesar salad, and those potato skins were like unbelievably good. I would definitely get those next time. The nachos were super good too. I got steak instead of lobster just because I'm not a big seafood fan. They were very good, but I actually liked the appetizer more than the main course.
Yeah, the appetizers were better. I got a salmon BLT, I think it was.
PLT, yeah.
PLT. It was good. It wasn't as good as maybe I remember it being, but the appetizers definitely took the cake. And the drinks, of course, were fabulous.
Even if the food wasn't good, we're having really the greatest time on this private secret room.
Yeah, we had
Lamplight Lounge.
such a great
Got to enjoy it with our agents. Avery's here with us. The weather is perfect. We're just having the greatest time just hanging out on the private porch here. You can hear the Incredicoaster going by.
There it goes again.
We just had an amazing time, and I can't express how grateful we are to have this opportunity and to enjoy this room. So we've had the greatest time.
We're so sad to leave. We've been here for like 2.5 hours, but
just soaking it all in.
Yeah, soaking it all in. It was a little bit hard to take video inside the room because it is a little bit dark in there for like the ambiance and everything. But it is nice. You get your entire porch out here.
Yeah, we got the ducks hanging out. Avery was
entertained by the ducks all on your own. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this Lamplight Lounge video. All right, we are out. So sad to leave, huh?
So sad.
So sad. Here's the cold door. Thanks so much for watching this video, you guys. Hope you give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to subscribe and keep coming back because we have more Disney content to come. See you guys soon.